Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign. July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Capricorn. Your recent past. Oh, okay. One card. So let's see your recent past. The Hermit, Temperance, Five of Pentacles. Definitely there is separation lot of you, because the Hermit is seeing things spiritually in the recent past. One person seeing things spiritually, and Temperance, patience and balance is needed. One person in this connection could be Sagittarius, and Five of Pentacles, separation. One person leaving the other person in cold. Definitely in past there is separation. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Death. One person undergo some transformation. Ten of Cups. The Moon. Yes, there are some mixed emotions here, and one person hides something from you, or you hide something from you person. Definitely for some this could be third party situation. You person already married and have kids. Definitely one person undergo some transformation. For some you person want to offer this Ten of Cups to you, but right now your person undergoes transformation. After that he will come towards you, because the Moon is here. Definitely there is some misunderstandings between both of you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. The Miser, Four of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, Lord of Water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Conditioning, Devil energy. Definitely the Moon, the Devil, laziness. Definitely he is thinking he wants this connection but not taking any action. And the Miser is Four of Pentacles. He is not expressing his feelings to you. He is not completely open up to you. Conditioning, Devil energy. One person in this connection is very dominative. So let's pull some cards from universe. Definitely your person undergoes some transformation, but there is Devil energy. Your person could be Capricorn. Going with the flow. Ace of Cups. Breakthrough. Breakthrough. Justice. Control. Yes. King of Swords. And possibilities. Definitely your person seeing possibility to take action towards you. They want to take step towards you in right time. Going with the flow. They are going with the flow right now. Controlling issues. Definitely conditioning and control. One person is very straightforward and cut the communication between both of you. This could be long distance relationship. Definitely I think some tower moment is already happened in this situation. But your person want this connection, but they want to make a move towards you, but it will take time, because after the transformation he will come towards you. So they are right now seeking the possibilities to take move towards you. Then he will express his feelings to you, Capricorn. Definitely, because patience and balance is needed. The Temperance is here. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Definitely he will communicate you, but it will take time. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.